How to create a birthday post with pictures on Facebook. Want to wish someone a happy birthday with photos that pop? Let's make a sweet birthday post from your phone. First, unlock your phone. Open the Facebook app. Let's go festive. Once you are in, you will see a box that says What's in your mind. Tap it. Write something special like Happy Birthday Sam, you're awesome. Keep it warm and cheerful. Now, tap the photo and video icon below your text. Choose the best birthday pics or memories you want to share. You can tag your friend, add a location, or even throw emoji to make it extra cute. Everything looks good? Tap post, and boom! Your birthday wish is out here spreading smiles. Bonus tip: want to make it more fun? Use a colorful background or even a GIF. Facebook gives you lots of options. Now you know how to post your birthday love like a pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.